In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic page breaks and line skipping in Microsoft Word with sound. If you've ever noticed Word unexpectedly moving text to a new page or adding extra space between lines, it can interrupt your formatting and affect the overall appearance of your document. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through adjusting the correct settings so you can prevent automatic page breaks and unwanted line spacing, while clearly explaining each step. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Automatic page breaks are often caused by paragraph formatting settings rather than an actual page break inserted manually. First, highlight the portion of text where the issue is happening, or press Ctrl-A to select the entire document if the problem appears throughout. Next, go to the Home tab and locate the Paragraph group. Click the small arrow in the lower right corner to open the Paragraph dialog box. Inside this window, select the Line and Page Breaks tab. Here, you will see several options that control how text behaves across pages. If Word is pushing text to the next page automatically, look for options such as Keep with Next, Keep Lines Together, and Page Break Before. If these are checked, they can force text to move to a new page. Uncheck these boxes to allow Word to flow the text naturally from one page to the next. After making your adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. Now, let's address unwanted line skipping. Extra space between lines is usually caused by line spacing or paragraph spacing settings. Return to the Home tab and again open the Paragraph dialog box. Under the Indents and Spacing tab, check the Line Spacing drop-down menu. Set it to Single if you want standard spacing. Also, make sure the spacing before and spacing after fields are set to 0 if you do not want additional space between paragraphs. Click OK once you've made the necessary adjustments. Your text should now appear without unexpected page breaks or extra line gaps. To make the process easier to follow, you can enable sound feedback in your screen recording software while demonstrating each click and adjustment. This helps viewers clearly understand where you are navigating within Word. By carefully adjusting these paragraph settings, you can take complete control of your document layout and prevent automatic page breaks and line skipping from disrupting your formatting. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.